You walk into a room, and instead of joining, you watch. You notice the patterns. Who's avoiding who? Who's pretending? To understand why you feel like an observer, we need to look at the 3 stages of your brain. Stages 1 and 2 explain your past. But stage 3 is the only reason you will be able to master your future. You need to hear the final stage to understand why your brain is doing this. Stage 1. Pattern seeking. Your brain has something called high-definition cognitive processing. This is based on sensory processing sensitivity, a trait found in roughly 1 in 5 people. While others process a room like standard definition, your brain processes it in 4K. You don't just see a crowded party, you see data. That couple arguing through smiles, that friend performing confidence they don't feel. This isn't anxiety, this isn't overthinking, it's your anterior cingulate cortex, the brain's error detection center. Working overtime. It's constantly asking, is this safe? Is this real? What's actually happening here? This is why you analyze rooms like data instead of joining them. Stage 2. The sensory tax. Here's what nobody tells you about having an HD brain. Higher resolution costs more energy. Every conversation you have, your brain isn't just hearing words, it's tracking micro-expressions, vocal tone shifts, the slight pause before an answer. This is why small talk isn't just boring for you, it's physically draining. Your brain is doing 10 times the processing for the same conversation. It's like running high-end software on a battery. Eventually, you need to recharge. This isn't weakness. This isn't being antisocial. This is resource management. Your brain is protecting its most valuable asset, its ability to see what others miss. So when you feel guilty for leaving early, remember, you're not running away. You're refueling. Stage 3. The payoff. This is where everything changes. You've spent your life feeling like an outsider, watching from the edges while others seem to belong effortlessly. But here's the reframe your brain has been waiting for. You were never an outsider. You were an architect of insight. Those patterns you notice? They're not paranoia. They're perception. That exhaustion from small talk? It means your brain refuses to waste resources on surface-level connection. The 1 in 5 who see in HD, we're the ones who catch the lie before it spreads, who sense the shift before the crisis, who create the deep connections that actually matter. Your brain doesn't isolate you to punish you. It isolates you to prepare you for the moments that need someone who truly sees, for the conversations that change everything, for the insights that only you can provide. This is your gift. Own it. So here's your permission slip. Permission to leave the party early. Permission to choose depth over breadth. Permission to protect your energy. So it's available when it matters most. You're not broken. You're not awkward. You're running advanced software that most people don't have access to. The world needs observers. It needs you. If this resonated, you're probably one of the 20%. Subscribe so you don't miss what we explore next. Because there's so much more to understand about how your brain works. I'll see you in the next one.